How to make pineapple ginger smoothies to help with pain and inflammation. If you don't like eating whole fruits and vegetables, juicing is always an option. The best part about juicing is that besides tasting good, smoothies bring numerous benefits to your body as well. So, how about preparing a smoothie that will help you deal with pain and inflammation? Just follow the instructions below. How to prepare this smoothie. Needed ingredients: 1/2 a pineapple, 2 ribs of celery, 1 head of romaine lettuce, a handful of cilantro, a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Now, let's find out more about the health benefits of each ingredient included in this smoothie. Pineapple increases and maintains bone strength, contains pain-reducing enzymes, boosts the immune system, promotes eye health. According to Laura Flores, pineapples are high in manganese, essential for antioxidant defenses. Also, they are rich in thiamine and B vitamin included in energy production. Celery promotes weight loss, antibacterial agent, improves digestion, reduces inflammation, protects liver health. The journal Molecular Nutrition and Food Research published a study which showed that celery contains apigenin, a molecule that can reduce certain inflammatory markers. This molecule also encourages proper function of the immune system. Romaine lettuce maintains bone and muscle strength, aids weight loss, strengthens the immune system, improves cardiovascular health, promotes a healthy digestive tract. 1 cup of romaine lettuce has 8 calories and 1 to 2 grams of carbohydrates. Even though it is low in fiber, it is rich in minerals, including potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium. In addition, it contains vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Also, it is packed with beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Cilantro, coriander, reduces cholesterol levels, stabilizes blood pressure, reduces skin inflammation, improves bone health, improves digestion, treats diarrhea, prevents anemia, has anti-allergic properties. It is believed that cilantro has the ability to reduce your risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and overall mortality. Moreover, it promotes healthy hair and skin, aids weight loss, and increases energy. Ginger reduces inflammatory markers, increases appetite, relieves nausea, relieves cold and flu, improves heart health, improves respiratory function. It has been scientifically shown that ginger contains unique compounds and metabolites that can treat and prevent certain health problems. The effectiveness of ginger is mostly due to its active compounds gingerols and shogaols. As you can see, the ingredients included in this smoothie have strong anti-inflammatory properties. This drink is great for maintaining the proper function of your system, especially during the seasons of cold and flu. Note: make sure to remove the skin of the pineapple. Also, chop the fruit into smaller portions so it will not clog up your juicer.